Hey, welcome back to your Cable Data Science channel. It is Tuesday morning, 9:46 a.m. here on Tuesday the 29th. And it's time to begin our daily COVID-19 analysis. We'll begin, as always, with the country of Brazil. And as a special bonus for today, since I missed you over the weekend, I'm adding the COVID-19 vaccine rollout report to the daily numbers today also. Let's come over here. Let's change this. So let's go ahead and run this report for the vaccine rollout report for Brazil. Okay, so what you can see here is you can see a continuing upward trend in the number of doses administered. Somewhere around 80 to 85, I'm guessing, million doses have been administered in Brazil. And somewhere around, say, 70 million people have received at least one dose. But only about, say, this is 10, this is 15, 20, maybe 25 million have received a full dosage. This is Brazil's daily people vaccinated by date, only calculated for consecutive days, which is kind of curious. So this one's kind of hard to grasp here. Now, new COVID-19 vaccine doses administered 7 days smooth for counties that, okay. So this is, well, all this really continues to tell us is the upward trend in numbers. Let's see. Brazil total vaccinations per 100. So that means for every 100 people, uh, there was about, say, 45 people administered. For 100 again, in total number of people received at least one dose per 100 people, and the full vaccination per 100 people. And lastly, the vaccinations per million. Okay, but the good news is that your vaccine rollout program is continuing to progress. Okay, so let's come over here. Let's actually look at the daily COVID-19 report now. Okay, so now let's take a look at the daily numbers for Brazil. Okay, you can see Brazil currently has 18.4 million cases, 514,000 plus deaths. The fatality rate is it's declined from here, but now it appears to be leveling off a little bit. The problem continues to be this stair stepping up of COVID-19 cases. We had a brief decline here in deaths, although it does appear that this may be a speed bump and numbers may be trending back down again. You can see the problem. You can see the stair step pattern here for weekly cases, for weekly cases. And you can see the declining pattern for weekly deaths. So this could be like a 2-week speed bump, remains to be seen, or even a 3-week speed bump. Okay, so let's take a look at monthly cases. Interesting enough, the monthly cases so far are almost identical for the previous 3 months for cases, which is kind of interesting. There's a chance that June's deaths could be lower than the previous 3 months, but still higher than these numbers back over here. So that concludes the news for Brazil. They did I guess I'm going to say that at well, the news continues to not be particularly good because neither cases or deaths are really showing a downward trend and declining at this point. So you know, so this concludes the report for Brazil for today. Before I let you go, click on that share button, share this video on Facebook and Twitter today. Don't forget to click the subscribe. Also, don't forget to click on the share button. Share the link to this video on your Twitter and your emails today. Thanks so much, Brazil. We'll catch you tomorrow with an updated report. Hey, welcome. Hey, welcome.